Hey YouTube, this is Rescue News and Park Fan 62. It is Saturday, December the 24th. Happy New Year's Eve. This is the last look at my 2022 Christmas decorations for this year. Now, please note this. All of my decorations are fine. They are a lot better than I thought they would be. But with a look at this. Now, some of these did go through a little bit more than others. Like, he got wet a little bit under this tarp. Now, you will see 3 of those tarps. And that is because I had my Christmas inflatables under them. Now, you'll notice with the Santa and deer that those 2 are standing. That is because one has a giant piece of ice hanging from it, and the other one, I think it just has ice in it somewhere, and probably it's because it's frozen too. How that one is standing is beyond me. But and here we go with the others. Now, I hope everybody who either has been affected by this winter storm or is about to stay safe. This storm is no joke. We had about, I think it's almost 3 inches of snow. And that is why I can't get the tarps out of the way, because they're still covered in snow. I was lucky to even get these things up, but I am glad I was. Now, hope everybody has a safe and wonderful Christmas. And ready for the new year as well. Stay safe if you have not been affected by the snowstorm yet. And please be aware this storm is no joke. And you guys need to take this seriously. Where I was, we went from 44 degrees to -7 within several hours. So, as you can see, it's no joke. So, stay safe and have a wonderful Christmas.